3 Benjamins a day? Survey says, it's possible. Imagine making $300 a day without leaving the comfort of your home. Yo, what's up, hustlers? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Sick of the daily commute and the endless office drama? Want to make some serious dough from your couch? Picture this. You, in your comfy clothes, working whenever you want. I'm talking about stacks of Benjamins, baby. Real money that you can spend on whatever you want. I'm here to let you in on a little secret weapon SurveyPlanet. You heard me right. This platform is a game changer. This ain't about no get-rich-quick scheme. It's about putting in the effort and reaping the rewards. This is about taking control of your time and your wallet. Imagine having the freedom to work on your own terms. Imagine chilling in your PJs, sipping on your favorite drink, and watching the cash roll in. No more alarm clocks, no more rush hour. Sound too good to be true? I get it, you're skeptical, but trust me, it's real. Well, keep reading, my friend, because I'm about to break it all down for you. Step by step, I'll show you how to turn your free time into a money-making machine. Ready to change your life? Let's dive in. What is SurveyPlanet anyway? It ain't rocket surgery. SurveyPlanet is your new best friend. Imagine having a tool that makes gathering opinions and feedback as easy as pie. It's a website that lets you create surveys. Whether you need feedback for a school project, a business idea, or just want to know what people think about your new hobby, SurveyPlanet has got you covered. Think of it like this. Companies want to know what you think, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. It's a win-win situation. You create the questions, they answer them, you get paid. Simple as that. You can even customize your surveys to make them more engaging and fun. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, this sounds boring. But hold on, there's more to it, but trust me, it's easier than it sounds. With SurveyPlanet, you don't need any special skills or technical knowledge. The platform is user-friendly and intuitive. Plus, it beats flipping burgers, am I right? Imagine earning money from the comfort of your home just by sharing your thoughts. So why not give it a try and see how SurveyPlanet can make your life easier and more rewarding? Signing up easier than ordering a pizza. Okay, so how do you get started? First things first, head over to SurveyPlanet and click that sign up button. It's like ordering a pizza, but instead of pepperoni and extra cheese, you're signing up for a chance to make it rain. You'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's quick and painless. Just enter your email, choose a password, and boom, you're in the game. Raking in the dough tips and tricks from a pro. Now here's where the real magic happens, creating surveys that pay. The key is to make them engaging and interesting. Nobody wants to answer boring questions. Spice things up a bit, add some humor, throw in some pop culture references, and watch those responses and dollars pile up. Remember, the more surveys you create, the more money you can make. So, get creative, have fun, and watch your bank account grow. My SurveyPlanet hustle. From zero to hero, almost. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a SurveyPlanet millionaire overnight. It took some time, some effort, and a whole lot of hustle. I remember those late nights, the countless hours spent tweaking surveys, and the endless cups of coffee that kept me going. But you know what? It was worth it. Every single moment of hard work paid off in ways I couldn't have imagined. I started small, just like you. I didn't have a fancy setup or a big budget, just a laptop and a dream. I created a few surveys here and there, and slowly but surely, the money started coming in. It wasn't a flood, but a steady stream that grew over time. Now, I'm not saying I'm swimming in a pool of cash like Scrooge McDuck, but let's just say I'm doing all right. There were moments of doubt, times when I wondered if it was all worth it. But seeing that first payout, holding those first few dollars in my hand, made it all real. It was a tangible reward for my efforts, a sign that I was on the right path. And now, I can confidently say that the journey from zero to hero, even if not complete, has been incredibly rewarding. Ready, set, survey, go get that bread. So, there you have it, folks. The secret to making bank with SurveyPlanet. It's easy, it's fun, and it can be seriously profitable. What are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earning some serious dough. Remember, the only thing standing between you and a fatter wallet is a few clicks and a little bit of hustle. Now go out there and make it rain.